Assalamualaikum. Here is 15 Photoshop photo effect mockup. Okay, these are protected password in my app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. All password in this app and daily update when I upload any new video. Okay, here is 3D head mockup. So you can use in Photoshop. Import your PNG file and control as for save asterisk Photoshop 1 2 3 and here is 4. Back to nature photo. Okay, open this one. We need a PNG file. Just double click here and delete it. We need a PNG photo like this one. Control S for saving. Wow, you see our photo is here. Same thing is here. Import your own photo and press Control S for saving. Back to nature. We need a PNG photo. Model. Drag there. Control S. Wow, amazing. Here is color option, color adjustment. Okay, element, no. Digital art photo template 1. Replace your photo. We need just a face. I think these are high definition. Control S. Oh, where are our photo? Here is title, text more, design. Okay, our photo is here, but you can adjust. I tell you just for example. And here is face to photo nature. Wow. Color adjustment. We need a go here. Enter Control S. Wow, look like a snake eyes. Enter Control S. Wow, amazing. You can adjust your own face here. Now flower face painting, you can import your own photo models. Oh, here is face. Like this one. Control S. Wow. Scroll down, enter Control S. Amazing. You see here our photo in this color adjustment. No. Frame art, flowers, canvas, and here is glass photo. And last is scepter. Okay. I hope you can use it and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.